Hello, everyone, and welcome to Season of Agents session, a virtual event dedicated to exploring the dynamic world of intelligent agents, automation, and the future of AI-powered productivity. Today, I am joined by Mr. Vatsal Jain, sir. He is a software engineer at We Construct Private Limited. Uh, Giving you a warm welcome, sir. You can carry on with your session, handing over the command to you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shudhanshu and the Azure Developer Community for this opportunity. So I will just start my presentation. So basically, today's topic is can agents think the role of reasoning in AI? So we'll start from there. So first of all, before starting, so I will tell you what is AI and how we can unlock our AI mindset. Then we can meet AI work buddy. Then we can try some real life work problems with AI. Then we'll try some basic prompts in AI. So how you can give the prompts. Then we will get into some plan small and easy actions how you can win. Then at last I will tell you how AI agents work, the technology which is used behind the intelligence. So first of all, let me tell you how you can make yourself in AI mindset. So just for fun, if you can put in a chat or people those who are in YouTube, you can go in chat window and can give a one adjective that represents how you feel when you hear about AI. So you can give one adjective. If, as you know, Modi has given adjective as America and India to AI. So you can also think in a similar manner and give a one adjective. So till then, I will continue my slide. So basically, when we learn about or we hear about AI, so sometimes we got excited, we got curious, and we got hopeful. So what is the AI? So like that might be you are thinking. Then imagine you are working somewhere and you would be given 2 extra hours every week. So what would you do? So can you put in chat box if I give you 2 extras, so what will you do? If you consider me, maybe I will be watching some good series or movies on OTT platform. So if I get extra 2 hours, so you can also put in the chat. Then third, I will tell you our simple goal for today's AI Kickstarter, how we can use AI in our daily day-to-day life, like one small way, and we can make our feelings into the real opportunity and how we can impact today. So that's what we can learn from AI Kickstarter. So now let me take you to AI work buddy, like how can AI help you. So what you need to know about AI. So basically, when we say AI, so we need to remember about generative AI. So here I am talking about generative AI. So generative AI is powered by LLM. So LLMs are large language models which are trained of massive data to understand and generate the human-like language. Like they can speak like us as we speak. So that's the power of LLM. Then second, we give them the prompt. So basically, prompt is the input which user provide, and basis on that prompt, AI generates some response. Then third, we can create a new content. Maybe it can be any text, image, or any user input. So this is called AI. So now Microsoft has main developed similar way of you can say buddy, AI buddy, which is called Microsoft Copilot. So it is a open source tool, anyone can use. So I will get you into that also. So before that, let me tell you some examples where we can use AI. So maybe you can use AI writing your professionals emails when you send any emails, or you can use the AI like to create a new image for product or services which are in Microsoft 365 suite, or you can use AI in marketing campaigns with Copilot if you have a product. Then fourth, you can make your customized service agent which you can use in your own way. So this is the power of AI. So that's Microsoft has given us. So now I will get you through like why AI now, like why everyone is saying AI, AI, AI. So basically everyone is saying AI because work is moving faster right now. A time like if suppose I am taking 2 hours for one task and another person is taking 1 hour to complete similar task, so company will give him more opportunity than me. So that is the one uh, reason everyone talking about AI. Then second, learning to use AI effectively. Then we have to learn like how we can use the AI effectively. So if you consider this data which has been provided by Microsoft, so 68% knowledge workers said Copilot help them to make them creative or to jump start their career journey. 79% has said that their functional business roles reported a reduction in administrative tasks, like people those who are at managing level, they can easily manage all those things. And 75% data and IT professionals using like spend less time searching information, because when we go on search engine we have to go to every web pages and we have to read the information, so that information has been reduced. Now I will get into some example, like we will go into Copilot agent and we will give some prompt and then we'll see how it reply. So before that, we'll meet our AI buddy like Microsoft Copilot. So you can try a meeting and collaboration prompt like automated agenda preparation, language translation. You can use this buddy in your content generation, create first draft or extract next step. You can use your this AI work buddy's personal productivity, like suggested any replies to thread to make the to-do list. So like that we can use the AI work buddy. So here I am seeing AI work buddy. So AI work buddy resembles GitHub Copilot. So now we can get into how we can solve the real life work problems with AI. So basically, these are the some companies' names. Those are using AI right now. So if you consider Honeywell, Finastra, so they people are using AI to gains productivity. Then second, efficiency and optimization. If you consider example of Lumen and Dow, so these two companies has streamlined their workflows and improved the accuracy. Then third is Amgen and Teladoc Health Company, which has increased their value to customer by using the AI. So this is the power of AI. So these are the some example, or you can say like static provided by Finestra, like in market. Before AI and after AI, how they have changed to themselves. So first of all, customer insights and strategy. Before AI, their internal and external reports used to take so much time. They don't have a proper customer insight. But after AI, they have used the Copilot and analyze the market trends, customer insights. Then second, if you go into demand generation, so basically they have used the Copilot to make the funnel analysis. Then third is they have used the Copilot for aid translation and localization. Then main thing what is called campaign execution, like everyone has to send a mail to multiple people, or they have to manage and they have to make the budget. So for that they have make the Copilot. Then third is the content creation, like if suppose they want to create a content, they want to run a one campaign, like if consider a product called mobile, I want to sell a mobile, then they used to prepare 6 months for that campaigning. But using Copilot, their time has been reduced and they also optimize the content and review. So this is about Finastra. So now before going into this, so let's go into GitHub Copilot and try some prompt. So we can either try some drafting a email template, and you can also try with me. Like when I will be typing, just before writing a prompt, I will give you some guide like how you can write effective prompt. So, first of all, be specific. Like what you want Copilot to do, like clear your goal, like whatever you want to type, just don't type it, be specific, like as you are telling a machine to do your task, so you will have to be specific. Then second is add some context, like you can add some context. If suppose you want to wish your friend on birthday, so you can give a context like I have a friend and my friend is this much years old and he is interested in football and basketball, so give me a good birthday wish. So like that I am explaining AI about context. Then second is provide some example. So basically, directly writing the prompt better write the response. Then fourth is let Copilot know that you want the response to be formatted. So for that you should be keep clear expectation what you want to do from Copilot. So these are the art of the prompt: first goal, then context, then source, and then the expectations. So this you can use for writing effective prompts. So now we'll go into this URL. You can also visit copilot.microsoft.com and you can write the prompts. So before get into that, so let me open my Copilot. So here my Copilot is open. So now I will give him a prompt. I have my meeting with my team manager on Sunday, but I do not want to attend as I am not feeling well. So write an email draft for this situation. Okay, so I have given this prompt to my AI buddy. So now you can see he has given me output based on my prompt, like unable to attend the meeting Sunday due to illness, like with subject Copilot has given me. Then again, dear manager's name, I can rename as mm, my manager name. Then I hope this message find you well. So I'm writing to inform you that I am not feeling well and unfortunately will not be able to attend our scheduled meeting on Sunday. I apologize for any inconvenience. So you can see like he has given me this prompt within 1 to 2 seconds. So this is like a very much big thing. So now if I want to give, now can you help me a follow-up email? So it is directly telling. So now you can see, can you help me a follow-up email? So he has given me follow-up email also. So this is the power of GitHub Copilot. So you can refer and use this GitHub Copilot. Now I get into my last topic, which is the technology behind the intelligence. So basically, technology, like which technology has used behind this intelligence, like how he is giving me response in a minute or in a second. So for that, there are multiple algorithms and multiple way people use, but I am talking about only five things. First is multi-step reasoning and decision tree. So basically, if you consider an example like you are a supply chain AI agent and evaluating the multiple vendors. Then you just don't want to match the prices. You also want to match the historical delays, risk, and alternative routes before making these recommendations. So this is the power of multi-step reasoning and decision tree. Second is memory augmented architecture. So basically, when we use the traditional AI, we lack context retention. Like traditional AI does not remember anything. So now agentic AI has come up, which can use the memory and build a deeper understanding over time. So basically, this again divided into two parts: short-term memory and long-term memory. So short-term memory, like it retains for minutes of time or like hours. You can consider a chatbot which remember the user input during a confirmation, or you then comes the long term memory. So long term memory is the persistent knowledge. You can consider as the example of legal AI agent. Like you can consider the example which you are making a AI agent for lawyers, or cases which run in court. So for that future application you can use. Then second is memory augmented architecture. Then third is reinforcement learning for adaptive learning. So basically it's called reinforcement learning. So it is important to self improving the AI agent. So if I'm giving you example, you can consider the stroke prediction. Like you might be have seen in Zerodha and Angel or Grow app, they are using AI agent to predict the stroke prediction. So this is the example of reinforcement learning. Then third is transformer based model. So transformer based model comes under contextual and understanding. So basically you can take example of GPT-4 or GPT-6 or anything. So basically here they have used the NLP models, and they have written the natural language processing algorithms, then self attention mechanism to prioritize the relevant data, then improving the AI decision making in complex tasks. So also in financial forecasting. So in that way they have use transformer based model. Then fifth is come agent collaboration. You can consider example of fraud detection. Like if suppose you want to identify any suspicious transactions or any past pattern, so you can use that. So basically these are the five things which make the technology behind the intelligence. So if I sum up this my talk, so basically, first of all, I have told you about what is AI, how you can use AI in your daily day-to-day life. Then second, I have told you about meet your AI work buddy, so which I have given you example of GitHub Copilot. Then you can write some prompt and solve your real-time problem. Then lastly, I have shown you the technology behind the intelligence. So that's why I have sum up this my talk like the role of reasoning in AI. So thanks for the opportunity to Azure developer community, and thanks to Shudanshu. So if you have any questions, you can put in a chat, and I'm happy to answer. Yeah, Shudanshu, you want to add anything? Okay, so I guess Shudanshu is not here. So what we do, we'll till then try some more prompt asking Copilot. So can you draft a birthday message for my daughter, 10 years old? So now you can see he has given me a reply like happy 10th birthday daughter name, happy birthday to my amazing daughter. I can't believe you are already 10 years old. Watching you grow onto the wonderful person you are has been the great joy of my life. You bring so much happiness and laughter. So like that I have tried this basic example. Now if you, why I want to make any app, so let me try. Like I want to develop a to-do list app. So can you give me a code in Angular. So see, he has given me steps. First of all, set up your Angular project, then create the necessary components, then update app.module. If you know it, sorry, I think yeah. Then third, he has given me how to create the component and update app.module.ts. Then he has declared the my component, then import the browser module and form module. Then he has create the one model where I can use to do item model, then update to do list in that components. He had define a one function, then he has made the HTML file for me where I will use ng4 and ngd model, then basic styling in to do list CSS file. So see, like that I can make my own to do list app within a minute. So that's the power of AI. So if any questions are here, so you can put in a chat box and I am happy to answer. So let me check if anyone is wants to ask any question. So yeah, now I am handing over to Sudhanshu. Uh, he can.
Uh, yeah, 1 second. Okay, you can hear me, sir, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you, sir, for this insightful session. And thanks to all the attendees and viewers who joined us for this exciting season of Agent Session. Now it's your time to discover, build, and shape the future together. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Sudhanshu.